Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 12.2. So, question number 1 is determine the following are in proportion. We already learned about ratio in previous exercise. To find the ratio of two numbers, we write them as a fraction and then simplify. In proportion, we have four numbers, then we find the ratio between first two number and ratio between last two number. If the ratio of first two number is equal to the ratio of last two number, then we can say that the given number are in proportion. If not, then we say that they are not in proportion. For this, we have to find the ratio between first two number. So here numbers are 15, 45, 40 and 120. So we find the ratio between 15 and 45. So we write 15 ratio 45. Okay, in this way. Then to solve this, we write them as a fraction. So 15 upon 45. Now reduce them by the table of 15. So 15 1 is 15, 15 3 is 45. So you will get 1:3. Similarly, ratio between last two number means 40 ratio 120. So it gives you 40 upon 120. Reduce them by 10, then you will get 4 upon 12. Then reduce them by 4, then you will get 1:3. Again 1:3. So in this question, you can see that ratio between first two number is 1:3 and ratio between last two number is also 1:3. So you can say that the given four numbers are in proportion. Understand? Next, 33 ratio. Given number are 33, 121, 9 and 96. Okay. Let us check they are in proportion or not. For this, we find the ratio between 33 and 121. So write them as a fraction. You will get 11 3 is 33, 11 11 is 121. So the ratio become 3:11. Next, 9 and 96. So 9 upon 96. So reduce them by the table 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. And 3 and 32 are co-prime number. तो इनको तो डिवाइड इनको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. So the ratio become 3:32. So ratio between first two number is not equal to the ratio between last two number. So 33, 121, 9 and 96 are not in proportion. In this way, you will do all the parts of question number 1. If you face any problem to solve them, you can ask your doubt in doubt session. So question number 2. Okay. So in question number 1, we have learned that if ratio between first two number is equal to the ratio between last two number, then they are said to be in proportion. So हम लोग इसको write कैसे करते हैं, मैं आपको स्ट्रक्चर इसका लिख के दिखा रही हूँ. 15:45. आफ्टर दैट दिस 2 टाइम्स हम लोग कॉलन लगाएंगे एंड दिस. अगर ये प्रोपोर्शन में है तो हम लोग इसको इन नंबर्स को इस तरीके से राइट करते हैं. ओके. So in question number 2, they are asking that 16:24, 20:30, So we find the ratio between 16 and 24. 16 to 24, it gives you 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Okay. Now we find the ratio between 20 and 30. So we write 20 upon 30. Again the ratio is 2:3. So we can see that the ratio between first two number is equal to the ratio between last two numbers. So they are in proportion. Clear? Next, 21 ratio 6 and 35 ratio 10. So 21 ratio 6 gives you, reduce them by the table 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, and this 35 ratio 10. So 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10. The ratio is same, that is 7:2. So they are in proportion and the statement is true. So we write here true. So in this way you will do question number 2. Now question number 3. In question number 3, are the following statement true? Same question. 40% ratio to 100% is equal to rupees 15 ratio rupees 75. So LHS and RHS हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. सो परसेंट 40% एंड 200% का रेशियो पहले हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो वी राइट 40 रेशियो 200 मीन्स 40 upon 200. इट गिव्स यू 4 1 जा 4, 4 5 जा 20. सो द रेशियो ऑफ दिस 1:5. सिमिलरली 15:75. अब रुपीज़ का जो RHS में है, जो राइट हैंड साइड में है, उसका रेशियो निकालते हैं हम लोग. 15:75. 15 1 जा 15, 15 5 जा 75. द रेशियो इज 1:5 अगेन. सो फर्स्ट बिकॉज LHS इक्वल टू RHS ना, LHS में भी 1:5 आया, RHS में भी 1:5 आया. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, 7.5 लीटर रेशियो अपॉन लिख दे रही मैं 15. सो व्हेन यू रिमूव डेसिमल आफ्टर 1 digit फ्रॉम द न्यूमरेटर, you will increase 1 0 in the denominator. So 15 become 150. Now you will find its ratio. So 75, when you reduce them by the table of 15 and 5, you will get 1:2 because 150 is twice to the 75. Similarly, you find the ratio of 5 and 10, then again you get 1:2. So this statement is also true. So question number 3 completed. Question number 4. Question number 4 is determine if the following ratio form a proportion. Also write the middle term and extreme term where the ratio form a proportion. Okay, very interesting question. So first of all we have to check they are in proportion or not. If they are in proportion, then the first two ratio between first two number is equal to the ratio between last two number. So one thing you have to keep in your mind that you cannot operate any two number if they are not in same unit. You cannot operate two quantities if they are not in same unit. Okay, so here you can see 25 centimeter and 1 meter. 25 is in centimeter and 1 is in meter. So first of all we have to change meter into centimeter. So you will write 25 centimeter and 1 meter. 1 meter को आप क्या लिखेंगे? 100 centimeter. Is it or not? Of course 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we can write 100 centimeter in place of 100 centimeter. So now you can find the ratio of these quantities. So 25 ones 25, 25 fours 100. So ratio become 1:4 here. Now second set जो है हमारे पास that is 40:1 and is 60. So 0 0 cancel, 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16. So again the ratio is same. It means they are in proportion. Okay, so we write since the ratio are equal, therefore these are in proportion. Now they add that write a middle term. मिडिल वर्ड का मतलब आपको पता ही है, जो बीच में. एंड एक्सट्रीम माने जो किनारे हैं. सिंपल हो गया क्वेश्चन, कुछ बचा ही नहीं. जो अगर इफ दे आर इन प्रपोर्शन देन वी हैव टू राइट 25 ratio 100 proportion 40 ratio 160. Can we write this in this way? Of course, the middle terms are 100 and 40 means 100 centimeter. So क्या था 1 meter. And extreme terms are 25 centimeter and 160 rupees. I hope you understand this question. The simplest exercise of this chapter. Do this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.